Hello all, Namaskara. Welcome to the Joshi's Home and Delicacy. This is raw tamarind Thokku. So let's start going. So I've taken half a cup of methi seeds. So I'll be dry roasting them until golden brown. So you should get a nice aroma. That is when we'll get to know it's done. You can see. Then half a cup of mustard seeds. So I'll be making this tamarind tofu on the traditional way. So this is raw tamarind. So I'll be peeling away you can see this is how I'll be peeling the stems of it. This Tokku is very tasty, very tangy, and in our house this definitely must be. We also call it as a Lakshmi. You can see these are the ingredients. So I've taken quarter kg green chili, salt, half a kg, then turmeric powder. So first I'll be coarsely grinding the methi seeds. This process takes time, but it is worth making, and when done in this traditional way, the taste enhances. So we are done with the methi powder. So I'll be grinding the mustard seeds. Hot rice, ghee, and this tamarind tofu is a go-to for any given point of the day. So done with the mustard seeds powder. So now I'll be adding the raw tamarind. For this much of tamarind, so much of green chili, so now I'll be adding turmeric powder 2 spoons, salt 2 handful. I'm using rock salt, then hing. So you have to use a good hing for this tokku. So I've added 1 full spoon of methi seeds powder, 1 full spoon of mustard seed powder, and together smashing it to get the right consistency of the tokku. You can see. So batch by wise I'll be doing the same process. And once we are done with all the smashing, so I'm giving it a nice mix so that all the ingredients mix properly. So hing is a must, methi seeds powder, mustard seeds powder, turmeric, salt, green chili. Fantastic taste it would have. Definitely give it a try. Hot rice, tokku, ghee. It will be a wonderful combination. So please let me know how do you like our recipe. Kindly comment. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed. Kindly share, like and follow. Please take care. Thanks a lot for watching. Also this tokku lasts for many years, and the more the time is over, the better it tastes. The tamarinds were neatly washed, wiped with a cloth and dried before using.